You do not need to be highly intelligent or skillful to start a business, to go after your vision, your dream, whatever you are pursuing in your business or building. No, you simply need to be focused, committed, consistent. Why? You get distracted each and every minute or second or fifth minute or 10th minute. You get distracted. Distractions are always around us. When your phone pings and sings and dings and notifications are going haywire on your phone, focus is imperative, right? What separates you from six, seven, eight, nine figure earners is the focus, your discipline, your consistency. Are you persevering, enduring the trials, the tribulations, the pain, the turmoil you are facing? Those people face that as well. We all go through different seasons in our businesses, and that's normal. That's a reality. That is something that you just have to accept. You get the stormy times, the down times, the times when you are reaping your harvest, you are reaping your rewards, and that tastes so delicious on the tongue. But what do you do when things collapse, when things are stagnant, when your career path feels stuck, when you feel miserable? You stay focused, you stay consistent, you stay disciplined, you have the vision in mind, envisioning what can become, what can happen, the possibility. You just need to stay focused, disciplined, stay consistent, and do not give up.